I'm out here at the Radio House America booth here at Orlando Hamcation, and today we're talking with Edwin Neto from Radio House about their new Cobweb antenna today on KF5 IRE Ham Radio.
I used to make Cobweb antennas in Brazil, and we shipped a lot of antennas to United States and to Europe too. And now we started a new project, Cobweb antenna, here in the United States, and we sell to United States and to Europe, South America. The idea of this antenna is to be portable, or if you live in a HOA, you can use this antenna from 7 feet from the ground. The antenna works very well. We have two versions. The twin wire version is $459 and the single wire version is $369. This one, the twin wire, we have a gamma match to match the impedance of the antenna, and the single wire, we have a balloon inside the junction box to match the impedance of the antenna. But the efficiency of both antennas is almost the same. I think the twin wire is better than the single wire because in the reception the noise is lower than the single wire. I would like to thank everybody that come to the show, and we are ready to ship. You can order online or here in the Hamcation during the show.